G'day everybody, my name is Greg and welcome to another episode of Poppy's 3D Prints. Today we're going to look at Teletubbies. Now I printed out the 4 Teletubbies for my granddaughter, and as usual at the end of the video I will show up close-ups of the models, and also all the links to the models will be placed in the description. So the first one we're going to look at is the red Teletubby, also known as Pooh, and this is in there. Nice easy prints. They are multi-part prints, and I printed these off on my Anycubic Cobra 3 and also my Illigu Fort Neptune 4 Max printers. Nice and easy, and I just glued them all together. Just with the model as well, I actually put the names onto their nameplate just so it makes it easy to identify for my granddaughters. What do you reckon, girls? Do you like them? Yeah, this one's yours. There you go.
Thanks, Poppy. You are the best.
Now the next one that we printed off is Dipsy, the green one. Nice once again, all done quite well. Now the next one after Dipsy is Lala, and lucky last is Tinky Winky. There you go. Nice quick short video, and these are the 4 Teletubbies that I printed off for my 2 granddaughters. There you go, one more.
Wow, Tinky Winky is my favorite.
And that's it from Poppy's 3D Prints. I hope you like the Teletubbies, and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button, and don't forget to hang around for close up of the models directly after this. Hooroo!